Hey guys, I'm showing you this Tatub 74 inches tall pantry cabinet with power outlet. So we received for test and try, and this is a kitchen hutch with storage and a microwave oven countertop. So as you can see, it comes in nice box. I'm just unboxing quickly so I can show it to you. This is the manual that describes how to assemble this product, and then all the parts are really packed nicely. That you can see it here. It's have like this back one, this manual that describe the whole process. All these parts and the screws are marked, so you can easily see which screws is going where. You have to get your own screwdriver, and then you can just assemble this product. So for example, this is a 13 number board. A1 is the screw size. This is the power outlet that goes into it, and then this is the whole toolbox. So the side one for the drawers and the other parts. So there are a lot of screws and tool stuff that you have to put in to assemble this product. So all these screws, as you can see, so this is the A. So the A will go and like I showed you that A, and then the 13. So there are two parts for A, and this is how you will assemble this product. So say the 13 board and then A, and we just fix it. So that's how you just make it and then screw it. I will not show the complete installation but the main steps, so you know how to assemble, because this assembly is a big assembly. So once I put the upper part, so this is the upper part of this tall cabinet, and then this is the lower part I'm working on now. So once this is all thing, you have to put in the shelves. So you can adjust the shelves based on your requirement. So say the holes are there, so you can put in those shelves thing and then put it in here. So here you can just put in this shelf stopper, and then you can just put in the shelf inside it. So this is a great one. You can see like the whole assembled part. So 6 drawers and the 2 drawer shelves. So here like the shelves are here, and then the cabinets, this is all like you can put a lot of stuff like the pantry things, also the microwave on the top here, and then there are the different shelves. So here you can see that you can just put in the stuff, and then you can, with the power outlet, you can put in your microwave and other stuff here. You can also hook the different things or the drawers. So basically it's a very nice design, space efficient, and then have a lot of storage and a good quality boards. So it's really nice to have to get the extra storage in your kitchen, or you can just put in other way and around. So a nice cabinet thing that you can use.